wind into the Dreamtime Sea, your ancestors and all that. And then what it does, when it fades down, it'll bring you back down to reality. That's all what the Didjeridu does. Let me give you a sample of track 2 of my CD. Track 2 is all the birds and animal sound. The owl at night time. You're welcome to take video.
I was going to ask you don't mind, eh?
Yeah, no, you're welcome.
Thank you very much.
That's what videos and cameras are for. Take all the pictures you want. I'm going to do all the birds and animal sounds. And the first sound is the owl. The second sound is the parrots. They sing out because you're camping in the bush where they live. And the raven, the crow, he does the same thing. In Australia, you'll hear the kangaroo up and down to the water. Father kangaroo. Doing, doing, doing. Yeah, mummy kangaroo. Doing, 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 doing. Yeah, Joey kangaroo. Doing, 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 catching up to mum and dad. You hear the sound of the brolgas. You hear the sound of the bumblebee. You hear the sound of a little pigeon. You hear the sound of the frog. Knee deep, because he's stuck in the mud up to his knee. Knee deep, knee deep. And then you'll hear the frog, then you'll hear the brolga, the native companion member of the crane family. You hear the dingo, or the wolf, you've got the wolf out this way. And you hear the kookaburra. This is track 2. Here we go. And all you do in the Didjeridu is go. You want to get your circular breathing? Take a glass of water, put the glass of water into your mouth, let the water sit here. Tilt your head slightly back there, not all the way back because you choke on the water. Too far down, you blow all the water out. Tilt your head slightly back there, let the water sit here, and blow the spray on the mirror, and go. And that's your circular breathing. You want to put the birds and animal sound? You go. That's how you do the circular breathing. Here we go. The owl, the parrot, the bumblebee, the crow, the pigeon, the dove, the frog, the brolga, the dingo, and the kookaburra. Here we go. Here's a little bit of contemporary. Here's a story about the truck driver and 2 hitchhikers. The guy starts his truck up and he changes the gear in his truck, changing it going down the road in his 18-wheeler. There's an hitchhiker on the road. He pulls up and picked up this hitchhiker. He said, "Where you going?" He said, "Up the road." "How far?" "Not far." "You want a lift?" He said, "Yes." "Jump in, watch out for my dog Blue." And the dog has to go at him. And he says, "Sit down, Blue." And you hear the door slam, he jumps in. He takes off, changing through the gears, going down the highway. There's another hitchhiker. And he got no room for him, so he toots the horn. Here's the story about the truck driver and the hitchhiker. I'm going to do it in the Didjeridu. When the white man came to our quarry, he heard a quarry is like a luau, big feast, a dance, and they heard the rhythm. Didjeridu, didjeridu. Now when you play the didjeridu, a lot of people say, "I can't circular breathe." I always say, "How old are you?" And they say, "Oh, I'm 50, I'm 60, I'm 90. I said, "Because you've been circular breathing the day the doctor smacked you on the butt. Breathing through your nose, blowing out your mouth." But when you play the instrument, you're blowing in it. It has to be hollow, otherwise you'll be blown like buggery. No wind will be coming out. It's hollow by the termites. They eat their way through the middle of the termite. See, Aboriginal man will go out of the bush and will look from trunk to trunk, looking for the large amount of sawdust. He chops it with his stone axe. Then he uses a handle and he taps it all the way up the branch, up the trunk. And he went out in there, he listens. And he understand that the termites have eaten their way all the way through the middle of the wood. But if the hole from Kurko to Ngono, he takes his stone knife, he digs it out, scrapes it out, burn it out with fire, dig it out, scrape it out, burn it out to get a hole this deep. He filled it up with marley, a wild honey. Then he put clay over the top, clay on the outside, stand it over the termite's nest. He ngarkona yugoronganina, and he pull pandina, and the yugomanjurkona panimanyurkona mayangalina kanakarana wajakadana pawangalina. If the hole is on eat from here to there, he takes his stone knife, he digs it out, burn it out with fire, digs it out, scrape it out, dig it out this deep, and then he put honey in it, wild honey. It's a native bee to Australia, got no sting, you can take the honey anytime. And he fills it up with honey, then he blocks it off, put clay on the outside, and he stands it over the nest, and the termites eat one way, and they smell the honey, poor bundina, they smell the honey, and they eat their way, get that honey. Their reward is they eat that honey, eat it all the way through and get that honey, and in 40 days time they eat the didjeridu for us. But that's how the didjeridu is made. So remember, the European man called it didjeridu. We call it yidaki, yidaki, Y-I-D-A-K-I, yidaki.